I know it's hard to believe. Some people don't like vegetables. Some people don't get enough vegetables and they want to find ways to enhance their diet. And there's one smoothie that I'm going to recommend, okay? This vegetable substitute is a green product for sure, but it's not plant-based, okay? So let's see if you can guess what it is, okay? NASA did major research on this green, and they said this: the nutritional value of 1,000 kilograms of fruits and vegetables equals 1 kilogram of fill in the blank. Can you guess? This green actually has vitamin B12. In fact, it has all the B vitamins. It's a really good iron source. It's loaded with vitamin E and a pre-vitamin A beta carotene, 55 to 70% protein, okay, and 18% essential fatty acid. And this is what it is. Spirulina. Now, what is spirulina? Well, it's a blue-green algae. It's a bacteria that can convert sunlight to chemical energy. It is 10 times more efficient in producing photosynthesis than plants. And photosynthesis is the conversion of sun energy to chemical energy. So it is definitely right up there as a superfood. They also use it to help with radiation sickness. People take it to increase energy. And spirulina is one of the first organisms to actually make oxygen. Now, if you're going to get spirulina, make sure it doesn't have added maltodextrin and there's no added soy. Now, of course, I am not biased of my own spirulina product, but I will put a link down below for you to check it out. But out of all the green things that you can take that are not vegetable, spirulina is a really good alternative. All you do is you add 1 scoop with a half a cup of berries. I recommend blueberries, and 16 ounces of water. Blend it up and drink it down. Now, this spirulina drink is an enhancement to your diet. I still do recommend that you get enough leafy greens like salads as a normal part of your diet. And if you haven't seen my video on the quantity of salad that I recommend you eat, I put that up right here. Check it out.